I am MechTactical, and this sport and the people in it have changed my life forever. It's called The Compound, 200 plus acres of simulated battle space built by players for players.
This particular sport is a carefully choreographed, beautiful symphony of violence. My skills versus yours. My technology versus yours. We're gonna go at each other 24 hours a day, from the sky, from the ground, in the rain, and underneath the sun. Okay. Here we go. Been hanging out with my buddy Magic and his crew from the Light Fighters, and we've been learning how to fast rope out of this helicopter. It's a Bell 212, and today we're going to do it live in the middle of an airsoft game, kind of to show off and get everybody pumped up out on the field. So apologize for the absence, but we'll give you guys a good show. Again, huge thank you to the Compound and to the Light Fighters Milsim team. Can't wait to show you guys what's about to happen.
See how fast Magic let himself go down that road?
Oh yeah, real fast.
Cruising. Look at the fucking heat signatures.
Killing frustration, we're doing it all to survive the nightfall. When you fight against the tide and you're about to lose your mind, it's easy to cross the line. There's no answer as to why.
Looking over the trenches.
Either you live or you die.
Right here!
Charge up, you're the battery that keeps me awake. Reload under your control before I break. Killing frustration.
Frag out!
Do it all to survive the nightfall. When you fight against the time and you're about to lose your
Try, asshole.
it's easy to cross.
That's gonna be close.
Take the break.
Party's up here, bro. It's nightfall. Welcome to the Compound. This is your fault. Come out and play Airsoft, he said. Come out to an 18-hour game as your first game, he said. I miss my mommy. And my bed. And my dog. And my pizza delivery service. And my YouTube.
Your daughter can bring us pizza.
Shh.
Heads up. Heads up.
Down, get down, get down.
Hit! Where we go?
I've already got a DQ. I got all three of them, boys. Nice. Stuck out right behind him. Ba, ba, ba.
Oh, that's getting shit out of me.
I'm already dead.
Ah, hit! Hit!
So was he.
Hit! Medic!
Thermal contact front, my aim point. There.
I got your left.
Shuffling. Shuffling. Shuffle fast. Shuffling. Look, step. I'm right beside you. We're good. That looked fucking cool, but did not feel very nice.
Are you good?
I'm trying to record. Thank you. I wanted to take a second to thank all of you guys, and in particular, one individual, John Moore, on YouTube known as John Does. At the end of this video, I want you guys to go check out his documentary and an update to his status on where he's at now. He's done a wonderful job telling the story of Airsoft. He's done the wonderful job of telling the story of the compound, following my buddy Magic Mike, completely ignoring the geese again for the 5th time. And if you could, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Check out our channel sponsor, Tier 1 Armament. And if you live in the Ontario area, check out my buddy Matt at Tactical Sports, the biggest brain when it comes to the equipment that we use for fun, excitement, and competition. I will see you guys again on the next one.